To show you guys in this video how to use Character.AI. So to use it, you should follow and watch this video till the end. So after downloading your Character.AI from Play Store or App Store, you have to open it and create an account on it. So for me, I already have an account. So when you have account and you open Character.AI, it will open directly here on chat page. So here where you can find your conversation and your chats. And from here, if you click on this plus icon, create, you can create character, group chat, persona, voice, and a story. Also, if you click on explore, you can explore, and you can explore of the boat and the characters if you want to talk with a character. So if you click on notifications, you will find your notifications. If I back and I will click on my profile here, from here I will find my profile. I don't have anything on it. And also if I click on the corner of the screen, I will find my settings on the Character.AI. So I can change my username, my display name, description, and many things. And also from here I can remove and delete my account and sign out if I want. And also I can change language from here. So right now, as you can see, the application is very useful, is very easy to use. So if you have any question, just type it down in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.